what you call a Beverly Hills Billiard.
I don't care what you call it. I ain't gonna cook it.
Granny, the folks that live here before us must have found it pretty tasty. This here table was built just special for billiard.
I don't care. Anything that looks that mean gotta taste mean. Besides, it's too big to cook.
I could dig you a barbecue pit out back.
No, sir. Mr. Drysdale give us a turkey. And I got the stuffing made. And by digs, I want that turkey cleaned and dressed and no more foolishness.
Pleasure. See, maybe you can tell me something.
Gladly.
Whereabouts would a fella go around here to shoot himself a billiard?
Billiard? Oh, you mean the game, shoot billiards.
Yes, ma'am.
Ordinarily, one would go to a billiard parlor.
A parlor? Indoors?
Definitely. Oh, not a parlor as you know it, Mr. Clampett. No, it's a large room with several tables, and people come in and shoot billiards.
Indoors?
Yes. You see the tables on which... Well, wait a minute. You have one in your billiard room.
Yes, ma'am, and I got to say it's the ugliest thing I ever did see.
Well, that's a matter of individual taste. They're quite expensive, and many Beverly Hills mansions have one. Usually you'll find them in the playroom or the game room or the billiard room.
But they keep them in the house.
Always.
Sure would have figured billiards for outdoors.
Never out in the weather, no. Oh, Drysdale's are waiting. I'll see you later.
Yes, ma'am. Bye. Granny, would you believe it? These Beverly Hills folks keep them big, ugly billiards indoors and for pets.
No.
Yeah. Don't that take the rag off in the bush?
It sure does. Now you go and take the head off of that gobbler.
By the way, Mr. Clampett, you know you're eating on a billiard table?
Yes, sir, I do. And next year, we're going to have us one of them rascals for Thanksgiving.
I still say I ain't gonna cook it.